Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the end of this week, traders will absorb the following macroeconomic statistics. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will unveil its interest rate decision for June. Experts anticipate that the bank will leave the rate unchanged at 1.75%. In May, the Central Bank of New Zealand stood pat on rates in a widely expected move. The rate has been kept unchanged since November last year. Once again, the bank presented an upbeat outlook for the GDP growth rate. The long-term inflation expectations remained near 2%. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand intends to maintain the accommodative policy stance for a long time. However, the stance may be adjusted as some uncertainty persists. On Thursday afternoon, the United States will report on the initial jobless claims. The number of people who filed for unemployment benefits is expected to grow to 241,000. In the previous week, the initial jobless claims decreased for the second time in a row. The number of employed people fell by 8,000 to 237,000 for the week ended June 10th. At the same time, the 4-week moves average increased by 1,000 to 243,000. The continuing jobless claims rose by 6,000 to 1.94 million for the week ended June 3rd. On Friday, Canada will deliver the inflation report for May. Experts forecast that the inflation rate accelerated to 0.3% on a monthly basis. In April, Canada's consumer price index grew by 1.6% in annual terms. The monthly inflation was 0.4%. Energy prices grew faster than in March, while food prices rose at slower pace. The core consumer prices, excluding the cost of food and energy, ticked up by 1.5% in annual terms. The energy prices growth is expected to slow down on the back of lower gasoline cost. At the same time, food prices are expected to rise. The basic components of the index will likely recover and increase in the months ahead. Additionally, Canada will release the retail sales report on Thursday. On Friday, the PMI report will see the light in Germany and the Eurozone. On the same day, the United States will unveil the report on the manufacturing PMI and new home sales. You have watched the Economic Calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!